Now for your special 3D classes, Carmen Yang proudly present Muppet Vision 3D.
Little?
Did I say little? I meant to say it's a huge show-stopping major song from Miss Piggy.
That's more like it.
It's called A Salute to All Nations, but mostly America.
And at no time will we be stooping to any cheap 3D tricks.
Did you say cheap 3D tricks?
You're not even funny in 3D!
I Waldo, the spirit of 3D. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. 3 minutes to 3.
Oh, great! Could you give me a sandwich? Would any of you people like anything? I mean, since he's going out, he could forever?
Hey, what's all the commotion about? Woody ran away! This is a very moving moment. Yeah, I wish they'd move it to Pittsburgh.
Sam, are you about ready?
Yes, it's a glorious 3-hour finale.
You got a minute and a half.
Enjoying the fireworks? No, your chair's on my foot! Oh! Everyone okay in here? We surrender! We surrender!
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to apologize for our slight technical difficulties, but I do wish to assure you that no one was hurt and this theater suffered only minor damage. So thank you very much for coming to see this demonstration of Muppet Vision technology, and enjoy the rest of your stay, and come see us again sometime.
We have time to go to the bathroom before the next show? We can't, you old fool! We're bolted to the seats!